So today I'm going to make some peach schnapps, and I still have some of my champagne peach, which is going to be delicious with this drink I'm going to use it. So let's get started. So we are here in the stove and we're going to make our simple syrup. So heat up your stove in low heat, and then we're going to pour our water in there and sugar, lemon, and we're going to stir this until the sugar dissolves. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to add my champagne peach. Let this simmer for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna turn off my heat. So we're going to set this aside and let it cool before we mix in our vodka. So our syrup, it's already cooled down. So now I'm going to mix my vodka. Alright, and all we do is stir them together. Don't get too excited, we can't drink this yet. Alright, so you're gonna need a pitcher or any container that has a cover in it. Our part is waiting for these things. They need to be refrigerated for a week before we can have this drink. So I know it's hard to wait, but it's all worth it. So I'm going to pour it in my pitcher. Wow, look at that beautiful color. No matter how beautiful it looks and it smells good, you have to wait for a week. You have to get them fermented. So I'm gonna cover this up and put them in my refrigerator. So after 1 week, when you're ready to have the cocktails, just get a strainer and strain them so you don't get those big chunk of peaches on the bottom, and you can transfer them into a nice bottle with a cover and keep them chilled in your refrigerator. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.